little bit chaotic in here.
Yeah, it's hard to hear.
Yeah. A little bit chaotic. Not a bit, I guess.
Very good. Thank you. We miss you too. Welcome.
Apple salad with cheese. I guess
This is dressing.
yeah, with
Apple salad.
with prosciutto and cheese.
Okay, too. Salad. Okay, we have to salad. Salad.
สวัสดีค่ะ ตอนนี้เราอยู่ที่ร้านยำเอเชียนะคะที่สยามสแควร์ร้านที่ใครๆก็ต้องมาวัยรุ่นห้ามพลาดคือเราขายเป็นภาษาไทยได้เลยจบเพราะเรามี FC ชาวไทยรออยู่แล้ว ตอนนี้เป็นอ้มมาอยู่รวมกับเพื่อนๆทั้ง9คนเลยนะไม่ได้เป็นน้องอ่ะน้องคนนี้เป็นน้องอุ้ม
โอเคได้ตาม
เด็ก
นั้น
สุดนี้แล้ว
โอเคกินข้าวไม่กินข้าวหรอ
เมื่อกี้ไปกินข้าวมาแล้ว
โอเคได้ส้มตำกับโต
This is the first time the whole top 10 is together.
Yeah, it's first time for me
First
too.
time, yeah,
Like,
first
me
time.
and the two of them.
Team here, first time. All three of them are here.
พี่เต่า is here.
Yeah. We're all together finally in Thailand. Yeah, top 10 international. This is international. Team.
Yeah, Nini, where is she? Toilet. Oh, I think she went to the toilet.
Nini's here.
She hide like she successful in hiding from us.
She's
Have you ordered yet?
She love it. She love it.
Yeah. Did you order?
Sorry?
Order.
No, I didn't. I want only with beauty because I
You ate some.
water.
I understand you guys are pretty hungry.
Yeah.
How's the traffic?
Oh my god, it's very crazy. We normally I don't know how it's here, but Peter told me that it is because it was raining.
Yeah, I'm already.
Yeah, it was raining. I don't know how it's here, the traffic jam. But I hope it's free because oh my god, I don't like it.
Also, the hotel area is quite busy. Here is busy too. Like the interchange of all things. This is so loud here.
So loud.
So loud. Quite chaotic. Your first time in Thailand already?
My first time oh my god I'm so happy to be with my sister
With everyone.
I'm in love with Bangkok wow
Mommy is taking your video.
Hi, I came from Mr. International Hotel. This is me, Nini your favorite meal.
Hey, there's 10 other ones here too.
Oh my god. Your meal.
We want a prize.
Beef. Okay. Everyone is pretty hungry right now.
Oh god. I already did wrong. That's not a burger.
What are you doing?
It's live stream. I was not I was little drunk. Are you live?
Yeah, in Miss Grand International. For Papa Nawan.
Oh.
is not here, but 10,000 people is here. 10,000 audience. Papa is in Cambodia. Papa is in Cambodia. I'm not sure now. But he would love to see everyone together.
Don't worry about us. Don't worry about us.
Because no one can hear us. Because no one can hear us. We are so loud. Everyone is so loud.
So loud. Cannot hear me?
Downstairs so loud. Everyone is loud.
Can you guys hear us? Thank you.
No one can hear us because even though we talk so loud. I don't know. They didn't tell me. I just assumed by myself. I think it's time to get you guys enjoying your rest of dinner.
I eat everything นะคะ
Bye bye. It's the time for you to enjoy your dinner.
Say bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you so much. And not just for the dinner.
Yeah. It's time for them to enjoy their dinner. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We are now having dinner.
Dinner is so good.
Before dinner, the girls get to pamper themselves. New nails, new hair, new color.
I eat anything here. What is it?
And is here.
In 30 minutes. Thank you so My dear little Bangkok, yeah, I really enjoy it. What's wrong with you? Oh, finally. Oh my God. When do you stay in my apartment? No, I think it's clean.
Are you full?
No.